Hey there, entrepreneurs. Thinking of selling your business? Yeah, I know. It can be one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make. But it doesn't have to be a headache. Let's talk about how to make this process smoother and more rewarding. First off, you need to understand why reducing friction in this process is crucial. Friction leads to delays, missed opportunities, and lower valuations. No one wants that. So, here's how to avoid it. Mistake number 1, messy financials. If your books are all over the place, buyers will walk. Solution? Engage a qualified CPA or M&A advisor to clean up your financials and prepare a QOE report. Next up, unclear deal structures. Don't just focus on the valuation. Understand the terms like earnouts or seller notes. Know when to walk away and consult with your M&A advisor to model different deal structures. Now, poor communication with key stakeholders. Leaks or confusion can derail a deal. Develop a solid communication plan to keep everyone on the same page. Unrealistic valuation expectations can kill a deal fast. Get a professional valuation and understand where your company stands in the market. Trust me, it's worth it. And lastly, not being deal ready. Make sure your legal, HR, and operational documents are in order. Conduct your own diligence before going to market. So, how do you create a smoother experience? Hire the right M&A team. This includes an M&A advisor, a deal-savvy attorney, and a CPA. They'll guide you through the process and reduce friction. Prepare a high-quality confidential information memorandum. It's your company's story, so make it compelling, and know your buyer archetypes. Tailor your pitch to the right buyer profile. Set expectations early and be transparent about risks. Buyers respect honesty. And remember, flexibility in deal terms can lead to better offers. Finally, don't let emotion cloud your judgment. Stay objective and be willing to walk away from buyers who aren't serious. Selling a business doesn't have to be chaotic. With the right preparation and team, you'll reduce friction and likely get a better deal. Thinking about selling your business? Reach out to a qualified M&A advisor to guide you through the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this helpful. For more insights and expert advice on healthcare M&A, and for a free valuation of your company, contact us today at valuations@pexits.com. See you next time.